introduce you to our Blue-Point AT5500 series, the half-inch square drive impact wrenches. Inside the AT5500 impact wrench is a twin hammer hitting mechanism that delivers 1200 blows per minute and an output torque of 550 foot-pound. And the tapered nose design over here increases accessibility to confined working areas for other users. A 5-position adjustable air regulator and a variable speed trigger provide users with maximum control. And all in all, a one-piece aluminium housing promise user a durable tool to be used for their work. Our AT5500 impact wrenches also comes with a compact housing design such as the AT5500T, the stubby, and the extended anvil stubby design. This gives users easier access to hard-to-reach fasteners. And all our impact wrenches are designed to work together with our impact socket as well.
Hi, now I would like to switch this lever to the reverse mode for the loosening of the nut. And by just a simple switch to the forward mode, it will enable the user to tighten the nut as well.
For more information, please contact our local Snap-on office